University of Eastern Pangasinan. Vision Mission. Vision, a leading local university known to develop excellent and virtuous professionals who are catalysts of progress for both the local and global communities. Mission: University of Eastern Pangasinan is dedicated to producing highly competent and morally responsible opinions through innovation, industry focus, education, sustainable research, and values-based curriculum. We commit to shaping ethical trailblazers, bringing our principle-centered culture, defining our values of makajos, marunong, and malinis. Core values: uprightness, excellence, passion. And my structure is learn in Net 101 is my Sir PM Awanan, and I learned lesson last second sem is create RG45 straight through and crossover, and the green touch panel, and paggawa ng RG45 orange, mga straight through, crossover, pag alis ng LAN cable, pagpasok, ayan, mga dami ko natutunan dyan. At sana may matutunan pa ako itong next Net 102. Sana magagamit ko pa itong paggawa ng yan, dami ko din na natutunan sa last sem ng Net 101. Thank you.